Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you very much for your support. So today I'm making an Ofada sauce. So with this video I already pre-made my pepper, so it's just a mix of pepper, onion, garlic and ginger. So first of all, what you want to do is just to bleach your red oil just the way it is seen in this video. And the reason I usually cover my oil is because I have little kids at home, and the environment where I live in, you don't want your neighbors complaining about all the films and all that, and I do not want to spark a fire alarm. So what you just do is just cover it, and as soon as it's done, just let it cool down. And when you're ready to cook, just on low heat, you add your onions, which has already been sliced. After adding your onions, you add your locust bean, that is iru in the Nigerian language. um, Fry it a little bit just for a while. Then you add your pepper mix. Then if you want to add some seasoning, you add it. Add some salt, also beef broth. And what you just need to do then is just to cover and let it cook on low heat. So as you can see in this video, I actually blended my locust bean. Sometimes I can add it without blending it, but I just like switching things up a little bit. So that's why I blended it here, but you can do without blending it and it will still give you the same result. And also because of my kids, sometimes I like blending it because kids are so picky. When they see something like that in the soup, they start picking it out and they start complaining. So I don't want that. So that's why I blended it here. So you cover here and just let that fry for a little while. Then after that, all you just need to do is add your pepper mix, like I said. So the pepper mix is a mix of red, green bell peppers, scotch bonnet, and as you can see, it is not pureed. Just blend it just a little bit so that it's not a smooth paste, because you don't want that for your Ofada sauce. So I'm adding my seasoning cube here. So I use no seasoning. And also sometimes when I cook my Ofada sauce, I don't add salt anymore if I'm using the beef broth for my beef, because that already has a lot of salt and seasoning in it. And I had a little bit of beef broth because I don't want it too watery, that I have to cook it for several hours. But sometimes when you cook and you feel that you need your pepper to be a little bit watery, not very thick, it's advisable you can always add more beef broth. As you can see here that I cooked it for a little while, and as soon as you see that the water is drying out and the oil begins to pop out, then you can begin to add your cooked beef, shaki, any kind of beef that you want. Also in this video I just boiled my beef, so this time around I didn't fry or do any additional or grill, but sometimes I also like to grill my beef just so that it gives it that beautiful look, and also it gives it an additional taste when you grill. So you can see now that the oil is really popping out here. So just try as much as possible to mix, and you add all your beef broth and your beef and everything. So after that, you just need to still cook it on low heat. And as you can see, I like mine thick like this. And also another tip for cooking your father's sauce is sometimes you might need a lot of oil to cook it just for it to, you know, come out as you desire it in terms of the color. But you can always drain out some of the excess oil. Okay, so I did that here. And if you love my videos, please kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share. Goodbye and see you soon.